Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I am going to do, I know this is not something I'm particularly looking forward to, is fall, but I'm looking at my collection and I'm wondering to myself, which fragrances would I use to transition into fall? And I looked through my collection and I'm thinking, okay, first one that came to mind was absolutely Sofia Vergara. And this is a fabulous summer fragrance, don't get me wrong, but this is a beautiful year-round fragrance in my opinion. It leans a little bit towards a vibe of Coco Mademoiselle, which again is right up in there. And it's one that you could use as a signature fragrance and it would absolutely take you through every season. It's a good transitional fragrance into fall. It's affordable, it's around $25 Canadian and can be found pretty much anywhere. And Fragrance Net, I know, have a great deal on it, and with 35% code, which I will link down below, you can't beat Fragrance Net for that. Another transitional one, I would say, and I haven't been reaching for it very much, is my Dolce Gabbana The One. This is a beast of a fragrance in my opinion. This lasts on me all day. It's powdery, it's peachy. It's a great fall fragrance. It just reminds me of fall, you know, just the not necessarily full-on frosty fall, but that late summer kind of cooling down vibe, and Dolce & Gabbana gives me that vibe, and I just love it. It was my signature fragrance forever. Another one that I would say would be great transitional into fall would definitely be Scandale et Paris. This is something I haven't been reaching for very much lately, and it's primarily pear, honey, and jasmine. And I do wear it in the summer, but it has to be a cool day for me to wear it, like a nice cool breeze, because this is a beast, and could be a bit cloying in the heat, in the really hot weather. So that's another great transitional fragrance, and I'm going to be wearing that definitely in a couple of weeks. It'll be starting to cool down here in Ontario, Canada, and I will be wearing that. So that's three to get to begin with. I'm going to scan around and I'm going to ask you guys, if there's anything in here that you could recommend that would be a good transitional fragrance. I think Want is another one, Want Ginger. They are primarily more late fall, winter, or evening, but I think the ginger one, because of the fresh ginger in it, could definitely give you, you know, would be nice in the late summer transitional one as well. How many times am I going to say transitional? I mean, really, you could wear anything you want, like any of these fragrances, with the exception of perhaps Alien Essence Absolute. I would not wear that in the summer. It would choke you out. It would choke everyone around you. There would be dead bodies everywhere. So that's not one I would wear. It's Nina Ricci Rose Absolute. It is, for want of better words, I guess it is a Turkish delight treat. It's a jammy rose is what it is. Great in the winter, great in the fall, probably really good in the springtime, definitely not a summer fragrance. So that would be another good transitional fragrance into the fall. So that's a few selections that I will be wearing going into the early fall. And if you think that any of these other ones would smell good on me or would be good transitional fragrances, please make a comment down below and tell me what you think. I mean, you can wear fragrances anytime. It's, you know, like it doesn't matter what you wear, honestly. I mean, Eternity is another one. It's a beast, and it's a little strong for the summer. I tend to lean more towards that one in the springtime, though. For some reason, it's just, to me, it's just a spring fragrance, spring, early summer fragrance. Penhaligons Elizabethan Rose is another very, you know, spring, summer fragrance. So, yeah, there's a lot of them that I will only wear in the summer. And, of course, Lalique Soleil is another one I'll only wear in the summer. Celine Dion I will only wear in the summer. Terracotta, and I still have a tiny little bit left, as you can see. I might finish that this summer, though. Chanel No. 5 you can wear anytime. It's just a classic fragrance, so yeah. And Cloud, I tend to really like to sleep in that one. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys, and if you think I made good choices, and if you think I made bad choices, hey, tell me down in the comments. I'm all about tell me what you think. I'm learning as I go. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick kind of video. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, and I have seen other people do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all on my next video. As I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.